Hello, good morning everyone. How are you doing today? Oh, great, right? Before we get started, let's just pray for this. Okay, last week we discussed about offering help. Do you guys have any questions about offering help before we get into the next topic? So, for today's material, we will discuss about expressing hopes and dreams. Have you ever heard about this? Alright, hope. To express hope, we do not use the word dream. Dreams are more likely to dream during sleep or about wanting something that is so hard to happen and requires a very hard effort. Dream, hope, and wish sound a bit similar to each other because they are about hope. However, the context in which these three words are used is very different. So, what is hope? As you can see here on the screen, hope is something that possibly happened in the past and also something that will possibly happen in the future. That can also be said as a hope that can be achieved if you are willing to do something. So keep in mind is that hope can be achieved by doing something first. Then, what is wish? Wish also says about dreams or hopes that are not easily achieved. So it's kind of a prayer, but it's kinda hard to happen. It's like wishing, expecting something to happen, and we can't do much about it. Can it be understood? If all of you understand, we can go to the next point, then yes. The next point is the structure. The first one is to say what you hope about the past. You are used the simple past. For example here, I hope she found the hotel. And I hope he passed his class last semester. And the second one is to say what you hope about the present. You use the present tense. For example, I hope he's alright. And I hope he's having a good time in Florida. And for the last one is to say what you hope about the future. You use the present tense too, or the future tense, although it is less common. For example, I hope he has a good time in Florida next month. Or you could say, I hope he'll have a good time in Florida next month. And for the next example is, I hope she comes to see us when she passes through New York. Or you can say, I hope she'll come to us when she passes through New York. Okay, class. Is that understandable? If there is something that you don't understand, you can ask me before we get into the next thing for today. No? Well then, we get into the assignment. For the assignment, you need to find a partner to make a conversation about expressing hope and dreams. You need to write down all the conversation and give it to me, and you need to perform it next week. So that's everything for today. Good luck and see you next week.